how you should live without attachment, how should you do the activities, how should you be very happy without any distress. If you follow Karma Yoga, definitely you will be very happy even though there is issues in your karma. Since you are unattached towards the love of Lord Shri Krishna, definitely you can use Karma Yoga techniques from Lord Shri Krishna. And we have then he is describing about Jnana Yoga and Jnana about meditations, and he is also describing about Yajna. Yajna is he is describing about Yajna wherever we are doing Yajna or Homam, he will directly he is instructing all the Devadas, demigods to come to give the blessings to the devotees. And whenever, that's why Yajnas are the most powerful than any other ritual. So this is the place where we can see the Lord. All the gods and goddesses will come in Yajna and they will give the boons and blessings to everyone. This is also mentioned in Bhagavad Gita. And then he says about Bhakti, the highest of everything is Bhakti Yoga. When you surrender completely to the feet of Lord Shri Krishna, definitely he will take care of you, nothing will happen to you, and you will go back to him. And he is also telling in some instances in one of the sloka that you can worship any god, any demigods, any devas, whichever you like, Ganesha, Muruga, or whichever Durga, whichever form. But all the forms, he is telling that everyone will give the blessings to you by direction of him. So he is supreme of everyone, and whenever you pray to them, he will also grant that boon to you, because this is cosmic system is like it's arranged arranged in a way. It's a kind of a company. Like whenever you work for a company, you have managing directors and directors and managers. In the same way, Lord Shri Krishna, the Supreme Mahavishnu, is the managing director, and Shiva and Hara are same. Hari and Hara are same. Shiva is the expansion of Lord Mahavishnu in a mixture of Tamasic and Rajas. So these two are Paramatmas, and all the others are managers, expansions of planetary expansions of them. So Lord Shri Krishna is telling, whomsoever you worshiping, he himself is granting the boon to them, and they are giving to you. So please don't worry that you are worshipping different gods. The Supreme God is behind them. He will take care of you. And if you worship Lord Shri Krishna himself directly, definitely he will give you everything in your life. This is a Sukshma, this is the strategy, and this is everything. You should think of Lord Shri Krishna, surrender to him, offer him at least one leaf, tulasi leaf on a daily basis, and chant his mantra. You can chant a mantra for this in this Kali Yuga. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is the golden avatar of Lord Shri Krishna, appeared just few hundred years before. He has given a mantra, very good mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This mantra is very powerful, that it can take care of all your worries and sins, and you will see happiness in you on a daily basis. This is a small simple mantra. There are a lot of other mantras in Vedic scriptures. If you want, you can do, but this mantra is dosa free. You will not get any dosa by using this mantra. Even if you are in the middle of something, if you are not even clean, you can use this mantra. But other mantras, other powerful mantras, you need to be clean. You need to follow some regulatory principles. So thank you very much for
ஒரு முக்கியமான விஷயம், கிருஷ்ணாவதாரம் ஒரு அவதாரம் எடுத்தாலே முடிவுக்கு வரணும். அந்த அவதாரம் முடிவுக்கு வந்த நாள் இங்கே ஆராய்ச்சி பண்ணி பிப்ரவரி 18 சொல்லி ஆராய்ச்சியில் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கா. கிருஷ்ணாவதாரத்துடைய பூர்ணத்துவம் ஏற்பட்ட நாள் பிப்ரவரி 18.
So he is telling that February 18th is a day where some research and scientists and Vedic scholars has founded that Krishna avatar is been completed and he is going back to Vaikuntha.
February 18.
So he is telling that this is a source from the Vedic scholars.
அதோடு இல்லாமல் இந்த வேதிக் புக்ஸில் சாதாரணமாக ஹோமம் பண்ணுறவங்க குழந்தை இல்லைன்னா சந்தான ஹோமம் ஹோமத்தை பண்ணுவாள். சுதர்சன ஹோமத்தை பண்ணுவா. மற்றபடி உடம்பு ஆரோக்கியத்துக்காக தன்வந்திரி மகாவிஷ்ணு பண்ணுவா. இந்த கிருஷ்ணருங்கிற அவதாரத்தில் கிருஷ்ணரை கொண்டா எல்லாமே அடங்கி போகுது. அதுல ரொம்ப முக்கியம்.
He is saying in Vedic folks they are doing a lot of rituals for different gods, like Sudarsana for career and business, like Sandana Gopal for getting the child, Swayambara Parvati for getting marriage, and lot of yajnas are the Mrityunjaya Homam for longevity and solving any health issues. But when we do Krishna Homam, it is like it takes care of everything. All the issues will be solved just by participating in this Homam.
குழந்தையிலிருந்து பெரியவர்கள் வரைக்கும் விரும்பும் கடவுள் கிருஷ்ணர்.
So Krishna is so kind to everyone, and he is already there in Agni blessing us. If we all pray that we will we will pass this test, the karmic test, why we are born here, and we all pass away this vicious cycle of birth and death and go back to this eternal Lord, go back to Him. The main objective of everyone is go back to Krishna. So please focus on your activities. Don't be in Maya, don't be in illusion, going behind the money, power, wealth, everything. The money is needed, but money is needed only to take care of you and your path of devotion, going back. Your soul needs going back to God, not to just circling around different janmas, birth by birth, and just being in this temporary Leela Lokas. You need to go to the Nitya Loka, Nitya Vaikuntha, to get completeness of your soul.
தினசரி கிருஷ்ணருடைய ஜபங்களை சொல்லிக் கொண்டு வந்தா.
So daily please chant the Krishna mantras. He will take care of you. Oh, this is the strategy, this is the success for you. So now we are going to do Sri Suktam Homam. Sri Suktam is to invoke Goddess Mahalakshmi. I hope Goddess Mahalakshmi will come as Sri Radhe or Sri Rukmani. Let me see what Lord Sri Krishna is in store for us. Lord Sri Krishna is already there in Agni. We are invoking Mahalakshmi in Sri Suktam.
Om Hiranyavarnam Hirandim Swandasrajam Chandram Hiranmayim Lakshmim Jataveto Mahavagasvaha Tam Mahavagajataveto Lakshmim Manapagaminim Yasyam Hiranyam Vindeyam Kamas Sampurushanam Swaha Asvabhurvamadavadhyastinada Prabodhinim Sriyam Devi Bhagvaye Srima Devi Hridam Swaha Kamsospijam Hiranyam Pragara Bhadram Virandim Driftam Tatpayandim Padmesiddham Bhattavarnam Tamimo Bhagvaye Sriyam Swaha Chandram Prabhasam Sagrantim Sriyam Loke Devajuttam Dharam Tam Padmanimim Karanam Pravadye Lakshmir Menasyaddam Swam Prane Swaha Adityavarne Tapsodi Jato Vanaspadistav Vrittoda Vimbaha Tasya Balan Tapsaradindu Mayantaraya Bhagya Lakshmi Swaha Upayidumam Deva Sakakirti Tamaninasaha Pradubhutam Shrakyasmin Kirtivirtam Didalme Swaha Chuddivasamalan Jekta Lakshmi Nasyamyam Abhudivasabhadrandha Sarvanadame Graha Swaha Yandadvarandra Dridhanityaputtandharishini Ishwarikam Sarvabhutanam Tavimokakvaya Sriyam Swaha Manasakamagudim Vajas Satyavasivahim Vasunam Rupamanasya Vagisri Sriyadhamyasa Swaha Gaddhameram Prajabhudam Visambhava Gaddhamam Sriyam Vasayame Gule Madaram Padmarini Swaha Avasrujil Siktar Sikli Davasme Grihe Nityadevi Madaram Sriyam Vasayame Gule Swaha Ardram Nishkaranim Prattim Suvarnam Devamarinim Suryam Hiranmayim Lakshmim Jataveto Mahavagasvaha Ardram Nishkaranim Prattim Pingalam Padmavarinim Chandram Hiranmayim Lakshmim Jataveto Mahavagasvaha Tam Mahavagajataveto Lakshmim Manapagaminim Yasyam Hiranyam Prabodham Kavo Dasyo Swaha Nindeyam Purnanam Swaha Mahadevye Vidmage Vishnupatni Dhimahi Tanno Lakshmi Prajodaya Swaha Damodaraya Vidmage Rukmini Vallabhaya Dhimahi Tanna Krishna Prajodaya Swaha Homa Samadhyartham Kesavadivam Garishe Kesavaya Swaha Narayanaya Swaha Madhavaya Swaha Govindaya Swaha Viഷ്णवे Swaha Vasudhanaya Swaha Trivikramaya Swaha Vamanaya Swaha Siddharaya Swaha Shrigesaya Swaha Padmanabhaya Swaha Damodaraya Swaha Mrityunjaya Vigrahaya Sambhave Avadesaya Sarvaya Mahadevaya Namo Ayodhya Nandi Vidyanandi Nisu अभीष्टमहिलां देवी देवी मे परमेश्वरी स्वाहा इंद्राय स्वाहा अग्नये स्वाहा यमाय स्वाहा हृदये स्वाहा वरुणाय स्वाहा वायवे स्वाहा कुबेराय स्वाहा ईशानाय स्वाहा विष्णवे स्वाहा सर्व प्रायचित्तार्थं घोषयामि ब्रह्मणे स्वाहा पूर्णाहुति कालः मूलानक्षत्रे धनुर्रासौ जातस्य भार्गव आत्मोरी नामधेयस्य जवानस्य कुटुम्बस्य कृत्तिका नक्षत्रे मेषरासौ जातस्य जेडी मैकेल ब्रूक्स नामधेयस्य पुनर्वसु नक्षत्रे कडकरासौ जातस्य हीरो कच्चाणि नामधेयस्य पुष्य नक्षत्रे कडकरासौ जातस्य सुरभ्राज साई प्रवीण नामधेयस्य प्रविष्टा नक्षत्रे कुंभरासस्य श्री श्रीनिवास मूर्ति नामधेयस्य पुनर्वसु नक्षत्रे कडकरासस्य अन्नपूर्णे नाम्न्याः आश्लेषा नक्षत्रे कडकरासस्य मधुसूदनः अश्विनी नक्षत्रे मेषरासौ जातायाः श्वेता नाम्न्याः प्रविष्टा नक्षत्रे कुंभरासस्य अर्णव नामधेयस्य चित्रा नक्षत्रे तुलारासस्य हलिल हौसा नामधेयस्य पुनर्वसु नक्षत्रे मिथुनरासौ जातस्य टेलर फेल्डर नामधेयस्य रोहिणी नक्षत्रे ऋषभरासौ सीता नामसर्पणः अनुराधा नक्षत्रे वृश्चिकरासौ जातायाः मैत्रेयी नाम्न्याः इंद्रा नाम्न्याः सदर्भ नक्षत्रे कुंभरासस्य विश्वनाथ नरमणः चित्रा नक्षत्रे तुलारासौ जातायाः मैत्रेयी नाम्न्याः अमवर्णी नक्षत्रे मेषरासौ जातायाः नंदिनी नाम्न्याः अमवर्णी नक्षत्रे मेषरासौ सुशील शवंत नामधेयस्य पुनर्वसु नक्षत्रे मिथुनरासस्य प्रिया शवंत नामधेयस्य श्रवण नक्षत्रे मकररासौ जातस्य अनन्या नाम्न्याः नाम नक्षत्रे नामरासस्य प्रद्युम्ना नाम्न्याः सर्वेषां कृष्णावतार उभयकर्तॄणां सर्वेषां सककुटुम्बानां सर्व अपमृत्युर्नश्यतु आयुर्वर्धता स्वाहा तथायुर्वर्धता स्वाहा सहस्रायुर्वर्धता स्वाहा संपूर्ण आयुर्वर्धता स्वाहा अपरिमित आयुर्वर्धता स्वाहा कृष्णावतार श्री कृष्ण स्वामिनः परिपूर्ण अनुग्रहाय स्वाहा
So now we thank you for the sponsors of Dasavadara series. We like to thank. We have one homum left, the Kalki homum, which will be remaining. But we like to thank the sponsors, the Bhargava Atmori, Jerry Michael Brooks, Hero Bachani, Surapraja Sai Pravi, Mr. Madhusudan and family, Mr. Halil Avsa, Mr. Taylor Felter, Mr. Viswanathan, Mr. Sushil Saban, and today we are Mr. Pradyumna is sponsoring to do moon homam along with this Krishna. So we are also doing moon homam now just to invoke moon, because Krishna is exalted moon himself. He wanted a Rauri Nakshatra. So he is an exalted moon. We are going to do some moon ahuti, Chandra ahuti now, and followed by we are going to do final ahutis for everyone.
ओम आप्याय समेत देव सदस्वमर्षियं अवाभासंकते स्वाहा 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 अप्सुमे सोमा भगेंद्र विचार बैठ जा अग्नेन्द्र स्वरूप वावस विश्ववेद स्वाहा गौरी मां निराण शक्ति कवती धे जादुपदे अष्टापदी नमोदी गोपी सहस्राक्षरा परमेभ्यो स्वाहा तदुशंकुराराम चीरारसोद्भवं अमां सत्यं सोमं संभवं गणपूर्णं स्वाहा विसागराय कहे कलानादाय दिमे तन्न चंद्र प्रचोदया स्वाहा विसागराय कहे कलानादाय दिमे तन्न चंद्र प्रचोदया स्वाहा विसागराय कहे कलानादाय दिमे तन्न चंद्र प्रचोदया स्वाहा अधिदेवता प्रतिदेवता सहिताय भगवते सोमाय तन्नमः नामनक्षत्रे नामरासुजतस्य प्रद्युम्ना नम्यः चंद्र दोषोस्तु चंद्र ग्रह प्रसाद सिद्धिरस्तु चंद्र ग्रह प्रियता सत्यासुंद यजमानस्य कामः स्वाहा.
So doing this moon homam along with Krishna homam will give mental peace and prosperity. So we pray that Pradyumna will get mental peace, and all the sponsors of Dasavadara will get mental peace, which is very necessary in this age of Kali. Peace is very necessary. So we worship, everyone will get peace after this and will get everything in your life. Now we are going to do final avartis. Please pray for 2 minutes. We are going to take your prayers to the feet of Lord Sri Krishna, the Supreme Godhead. Please pray, please pray, please pray. We'll give 2 minutes. Please pray. It is better you pray that you will get some spiritual progression in this birth. Om Please stand up.
Govinda
Please stand up.
Devajagatpade Devi Vedane Krishna Tamagam Janam Gadaha Purnavudi Uttamam Juhode Sarvam Purnavudi Sarvameva Apnodi Adoyam Purnavudi Asyameva Pradipadi Om Klim Krishnaya Shai Om Saptadegne Sabta Saptajikvaha Saptarade Sapta Priya Saptahotra Saptadatra Saptajoni Arana Swagatena Swaha Agnaye Saptavada Idannamama Pusvaha Pusvaha Swasvaha Om Bhutva Swasvaha Ajyavatra Bhurudon Dhaya Praya Chittam Prana Yamam Adhikanam Pustaha Anumadenam Krista Saraswatenam Krista Devasavi Saprasavi Devidyam Namaskaram Om Bhutva Swasvaha Srimagosmi Joyam
Everybody have a namaskar. So now we are going to do namaskaram process. He is going to do mantras for 3 times. So every time he is starting the mantra, please fall down. Please fall down.
Devaki Sudha Govinda Vasudeva Jagatpade Devi Me Tanayam Krishna Vamagam Charanam Gataha Vasudeva Sudam Devam Kamcha Chanuramadhanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagatgurum Krishnaya Vasudevaya Devaki Nandanaya Ja Nanda Gopa Kumaraya Govindaya Namo Namaha. Please stand up. வசுதேவருடைய குழந்தையாக பிறந்து நந்தகோபருடைய குழந்தையாக வளர்ந்த கிருஷ்ண பகவானே உனக்கு நமஸ்காரம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி இந்த
Lord Shri Krishna, you born to Vasudeva and you have been grown up with Nanda Prabhu. So we are praying to you. Please give us the blessing. That's the meaning of this mantra.
தாமோதராய வித்மஹே
Please fall down.
ருக்மணி வல்லபாய தீமஹே தன்ன கிருஷ்ண பிரச்சோதயாத் இவருடைய காயத்ரி மந்திரம்.
So please stand up. This is a Gayatri mantra of Lord Shri Krishna.
அடுத்தபடியாக முக்கியமானது பகவத்கீதை சொன்ன அந்த உபதேசம் பரித்ராணாய சாதுனா.
This is a very important mantra from Bhagavad Gita where Lord Shri Krishna instructs to everyone through Arjuna. So please fall down completely to the feet of Lord Shri Krishna. This mantra is very powerful. Please fall down.
பரித்ராணாய சாதுனா விநாசாய துஷ்கிருதாம் தர்ம சம்ஸ்தாபனார்த்தாய சம்பவாமி யுகே யுகே. பரித்ராணாய சாதுனா விநாசாய துஷ்கிருதாம் தர்ம சம்ஸ்தாபனார்த்தாய சம்பவாமி யுகே. பரித்ராணாய சாதுனா விநாசாய துஷ்கிருதாம் தர்ம சம்ஸ்தாபனார்த்தாய சம்பவாமி யுகே யுகே.
This mantra has everything in it. Krishna is telling whenever there is a fall of dharma, whenever there is lot of problems in this world, the demonic natures like what we see now, he will take incarnation. He has said in Bhagavad Gita, he has done lot of incarnation. That's why we are doing Dasavadara. He has already took 9 incarnations, 9 main incarnations. There are other incarnations that is not under this subject, but 9 main incarnations until Krishna is already taken, and next incarnation is Kalki, which is yet to come, and after the Kalki, the Bhuloka will again go into Pralaya, so he will only take all the goodness from this. So Kalki avatar is yet to come. But we are also going to do Kalki Homam. So we are all, whoever participating in Kalki Homam will definitely take it back to the Vaikuntha.
Kalki Homam Panchasuktam Homam.
So we are going to do Kalki Homam in Panchasuktam. So we are very happy that we are doing this Dasamadara Homam. Only with the help of these sponsors we can manage the expenses. We are doing 10 different homams. We are making sure that the cost is being on a very minimal scale for Dasamadara. So please participate in Kalki Homam also. Now we are going to do Deepa Aradhana. Please take the blessings.
கிருஷ்ணர் சொன்ன மாதிரி ஒரு சமயத்திலையும் அதர்மம் தலை தூக்கும் போது வந்து தர்மத்தை நிலைநாட்டின்னு தான் இருக்கா இப்போ.
So even now, whenever there is adharma, Krishna will come himself, or he will send his follower messengers.
Om Rajaaya Pratishtha Bhagine Namo Ayam Vai Shravanaaya Mahe Sameka Mahakama Yojam Ami Krovini Sarvapatadu Vedanta Shravanaaya Maharaja Dharma Paryabhyanantaraja Sarvasomo Dhiratra Uttamagat Bhavajam Vasyabde Sarvajyatisti Sarvamevadena Apnodi Sarvam Jayati.
Please take the blessings.
देवकी सुत गोविंदा वासुदेव जगत्पदे देहि मे तनयम कृष्णा त्वामगम शरणं गतः. யார் ஒருத்தர் கிருஷ்ணரை சரணாகதி அடையாரோ அவளுக்கு வந்து சகல நலன்களையும் கொடுக்கிறார் அப்படிங்கிறதாக அர்த்தம்.
Whoever surrenders to Lord Shri Krishna, who is the supreme God, they will get everything in their life. Nothing is being left over. Apart from getting the material welfare in this life, the biggest thing, the spiritual welfare. You will get a spot in Vaikuntha if you are highly devoted, if you are a good devotee of Lord Shri Krishna, he will take care of you. There are a lot of miracles being happened even in my life, even in my colleague's life who are the devotees of Lord Shri Krishna. He is taking care by his presence. It's all truth. Yes, we have seen Lord Shri Krishna in this Agni. I think most of them has witnessed in this Yagna that Krishna is already there in Agni. He came in his form, and we also seen this directly. I think you also seen this in your video. We will also put these recordings in future. You can even pause the video and see. It's all truth, and Krishna is there. All the gods and goddesses are there. They are behind us to guide us and take back to the eternal world. And even in this world, there are a lot of hormones which will give you and solve a lot of issues in your life. So please make sure that you are attending most of the rituals. So this is the cloth which is being used by Lord Shri Krishna. This is flowers being offered to Lord Shri Krishna. Coconuts and bananas are there. And this is the prasadam which is offered to Krishna. This is the same prasadam which is being offered to Krishna by the Pandavas. The rice owl, this is called. So we offer the same thing to Lord Shri Krishna. So thank you very much for participating in this yagna. We are going to do Dasa Mahavidya homams. Dasa Mahavidya is like the form of divine mothers who is taking care of the complete cosmos. So they are very powerful. They can give immediate results because they are very close to us. And each Dasa Mahavidya has each benefits. You can read about different Mahavidyas starting from Bhairavi, Lagna, Bhuneswari moon, Matangi sun, Bagalamudi, Mars, Tripura Sundari, Mercury planet, so Tara Devi, Jupiter planet.
இன்னைக்கு கிருஷ்ணருக்கு ஹோமம் பண்ணோடனே கூலாக இருக்குங்க இன்னைக்கு.
So now we are feeling very cool. This place is very cool after doing the Krishna Homam. So we have Chinnamasta who is Rahu, we have Dhumavadi who is Kedu.
நல்லா காத்து வருது.
So we are very happy to do the Dasamahavidya. Dasamahavidya is nothing, no other than they are divine mothers. They are expansion of cosmic expansions of Leela Vibhuti. They are very powerful in this Leela Vibhuti, in this Bhologa. They will grant immediate wishes as instructed by Lord Shri Krishna. So please participate in all the Dasamahavidyas. We are also going to send out the schedule for Ganesha Homams. Who is taking care of this Vedic New Year? Vijaya Varusa. Vijaya means success. So attending this Ganesha Homams throughout this year, we are earlier planned for 54 Ganesha Homams. Now we are planning for 63. We added another 9 extra Ganesha Homams. So we are preparing the schedules. So you will be occupied for next 6 months with this Dasamahavidya and Ganesha Homams. Get all the blessings, take away the blessings to your family and get success in your life. Get everything you want in your life. Be happy in your life. So to be happy, only thing is you need to be with gods and goddesses. You need to get an association with gods and goddesses. Do the mantras to invoke several gods to solve several issues. Yagnas is very powerful. Attend the yagnas. You can even mail us. We can give you the proper mantra to you. We will give free advice for which yagna you can do and all. So thank you very much for joining with us in this Krishna Homam. Thank you. Thank you.